Oh, hey, we back on TV? How you doing, huh? Remember me? Joey Mamaluke. Yeah, I'm back by popular demand, temporary type shit, limited edition, you know, whatever. Joey's here, you know. So today I'm going to show you how to replace your triple third stop brake light, high mount stop bulb, they call it. I don't know what they call it. You know, anyway, this bulb burned out. Joey's here to help you out. Got the bulbs. I'm going to show you how to replace it. Bada bing, bada boom. You'll be back driving in the hood pretty good, you know? Okay guys, so first thing you'll notice is there's no screws over here. You know, there's nothing on the outside, so don't do nothing silly or try and pry it out or whatnot. The old style would be like that, so we got to go inside the trunk. We got to go a little down under, mate. So top in the morning to you, that's how they talk in Australia, that's what I hear, I don't know. So anyway, see right here, this is the box we're going to need to crack open, you know? Kind of like cracking open a couple of heads, you know? Bada boom, bada bing, you do your thing, you know? So this is the trunk light, but we got to go inside over here, and that's what we're going to do to pop that jaw on out, and then we'll be all good, you know? Okay guys, so what you're going to do is you're going to pop this bad boy off. It's easy to grip from the top. You know, you can see the big whole thing. You pull it down, pops right out. Not too bad, huh? So then we got the bulb, it's straight back over there. You can see it's not working too good. Joey's gonna fix that shit, you know? Okay, so we're gonna take the bulb out over here. Not too hard, pops out, nice and easy, you see. You can shake it if you want, whatever, the bulb's no good. We'll switch that shit, you know? So we got the new bulb over here, 921 LL. My friend Antonio Bananas, he used to say the LL stands for Latino lovers, or long-lasting Latinos. That's Antonio Bananas, you know? I don't know if you know him. Anyway, we're gonna put some bulb grease. It's called dielectric grease on the bulb. That'll hopefully help it last longer. You won't get electrocuted or whatnot. You know, like I heard Ben Franklin when he was flying kites in the air, was with keys and making those sandwiches, he will get electrocuted. So hopefully this should help, you know? So you just pop it right in, actually. It's not too bad. And there you go. You got a new bulb. You're good to go in the hood, you know? Okay, guys. So now you got the bulb over here, nice and good. You're just going to pop this baby back in, you know? You do have the trunk release over here. You're going to want to put that through the groove here, and that's in case someone gets stuck in the trunk. But in my case, and you know, some of my Italian friends, maybe you got, you know, a body in the trunk, so to speak, you know? Maybe somebody who needs to be sleeping with the fish, you know? Maybe someone that needs a new pair of shoes, the cement kind, you know? You obviously don't want them coming out. I got a visitor coming in over the weekend. I'd like him to stay put a little bit over here. So, yeah. So we're just going to push this up, you know? We got the little latches on the left and the right. Push them in the groove like so. Pops in and you're good to go, you know? Okay guys, Joey's back over here. Hopefully you enjoyed my video. Hopefully it was informative, and now you know how to replace your bulb in your Mustang or maybe another car similar. I don't know, I'm just trying to do a job, help out the people, you know? So I'm gonna put some links in the description below where you can purchase these directly on Amazon. Please use my links if you do, because I'm an Amazon affiliate, and it would be recommended and beneficial to you and me, you know? So that would be the bulb and the bulb grease. I recommend the combination, that way the bulbs will last longer. You won't be frying nothing and whatnot. So for now, the rest of the day, the weekend, have a great day. Enjoy life, be happy, put a smile on somebody's face. I don't know. Salute!